Welcome to one more video of Bank Nifty daily analysis. So I hope people might have earned by doing shorts onto the call today. So it was a good day in terms of shorts. See, so the market opened, it made a doji pattern in the first 15 minutes and then it fell down. So here only it gives an indication that I'm coming down. So I shorted a call at this particular moment, right? It went here, it took a support here. So the moment it took a support, I removed my positions. I waited till it gives a confirmation that it will fall further. This particular candle gives a confirmation that I'm falling further, right? So again, I made a short here, and this is the rally. And the moment it filled the gap, I came out of that system. So this was Bank Nifty. It was a good fall today. If you have shorted call, you could have won. If you would have been in a longer position, it would have been a haywire. So Bank Nifty, see, if you look at the daily analysis, this is daily analysis of Bank Nifty, right? So it closed at 48,308, right? And if you look at it, the 20 EMA is 46,800 and sorry 355. So almost 55 points down on the 20 EMA support. It didn't took a support at 20 EMA, so 355 was 20 EMA. Hopefully, it should bounce back tomorrow. Tomorrow is Bank Nifty expiry, and it should show a strength going forward, showing that it took a support from 20 EMA. So, in case if it closes above 48,355 to be more precise tomorrow, then it will take a bounce back, and it was just a smaller correction for Bank Nifty. Else, if it doesn't sustain, then it will go and touch 50 EMA, which is 47,700, right? So it's big fall from here, another 300 and 500 points, another 500 points. So let's see. Tomorrow is the day whether it bounce back. Tomorrow the Bank Nifty should have a short covering. In case if it doesn't, then another 500 points for tomorrow to touch 50 EMA. So that's the Bank Nifty, and if it bounce back, then hopefully 48,500 should be the first resistance. Let's look at the trend line and then decide. So with this, we'll remove this, and we'll take a support here. So this is the support. So we are drawing a support line. Okay, and as you might see, another support is 48,100, 48,000, and then 47,800, 700. So these are the supports which are coming out there. From a resistance perspective, this is the first resistance, right? So now 48,970, 49,000 has become a strong resistance now. It will be very difficult to bypass it. It will take some time for it to bypass that. This one, what we can do is, this is another one. So what we can do is we can draw a dotted line here. This is one of the resistance, but we'll draw a dotted line because it falls from here. So the first hurdle it will take here is to cross it, and I will just draw a dotted line. Usually if it is a very minor thing one, I draw a dotted line which is almost 673, 700. So 48, 700 would be tough for it to cross tomorrow. So hopefully it should bounce from here and it should go till 46, 48, 700. So let's see what happens tomorrow. Dow futures 51 points, so rather flat, right? Russell is 1.23, the global index, and oil is good. Everything looks good, from a global perspective. I don't know why Indian markets are not taking it up. Hopefully tomorrow should be a bouncing day with consecutive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days fall. So let's see. Hopefully tomorrow's expiry should be good. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye.